Hi students, this is class for 8th class, subject mathematics, chapter 9, area of plane figures. In this chapter, from exercise 9.2, we have to solve two problems, 9 and 10 problems today. My name is Mandal Srinivasarao, working as PGT Mathematics, Achyambeta, Guntur district. Recap. First, we have revised all the formulas for the solving the problems we learned in the last week. Area of trapezium half into sum of the lengths of parallel sides into distance between them. Area of quadrilateral half into length of a diagonal into sum of the lengths of the perpendiculars from the remaining two vertices on the diagonal. Area of rhombus half of the product of diagonals. Area of circle pi r square, where r is the radius of the circle. Area of a circular path or area of a ring, pi into r square minus r square, or pi into r plus r minus r. When r and small r radii of outer circle and inner circle respectively. Area of sector x degrees by 360 degrees into pi r square, where x degrees is the angle subtended by the arc of the sector at the center of the circle and r is the radius of the circle. This is the area of trapezium formula, half into h is perpendicular distance into a plus b. A and b are parallel sides. Area of quadrilateral half into diagonal d into sum of the heights of the two triangles. This is first triangle height, this is second triangle height. Area of a rhombus half into d1 into d2. Area of a circle pi r square. Area of a circular path or area of a ring. This is outer ring, outer circle radius. This is inner circle radius. Formula is pi r square minus pi r square. Area of sector x by 360 degrees into pi r square. This is your 9.2 exercise. Today we will solve 9th problem and 10th problem. This is 9th problem, this is 10th problem. First, we will solve 9th problem in our exercise 9.2. What is that? From a piece of cardboard in the shape of trapezium ABCD. This is cardboard which is in the form of trapezium ABCD, and AB, CD are parallel. AB is parallel, AB and CD are parallel. These two sides are parallel sides. And angle BCD 90 degrees. BCD. Here angle is 90 degrees. Quarter circle is removed. This is quarter circle. Given AB is equal to BC is equal to 3.5 centimeters. AB length, BC length 3.5 centimeters and DE length is 2 centimeters. Calculate the area of the remaining piece of the cardboard. After removing quarter circle, there is a shaded region in the trapezium piece of cardboard. So, we have to find the area of this region. Before that, we will learn what is quarter circle. What is the formula for quarter circle? This is circle. This is semicircle, two parts. Half of the circle is called semicircle. This is quarter circle. Triangle has divided into 4 parts, 4 equal parts. This is one part is called quarter circle, 1/4 of the circle. Area of circle is pi r square. Quarter circle area is 1/4 pi r square. Now, we take the problem. ABCD is a trapezium. This is trapezium. AB is parallel to CD. AB and CD are parallel. Angle BCD is 90 degrees. AB is equal to BC is 3.5 centimeters. AB length is 3.5, BC is 3.5, CE also 3.5 because these two are radii. This is radius, this is radius. Here BC is equal to EC. BC is equal to EC. So radius of quarter circle is 3.5 centimeters. Given d is equal to 2 centimeters. Now we will solve problem. This is we have to find the shaded region of this remaining part after cutting quarter circle. Area of shaded region. That means area of trapezium ABCD. Total trapezium ABCD area minus area of quarter circle. What is the area of trapezium? Half into h into a plus b. Area of quarter circle is 1 by 4 pi r square. Half into h. H means this is perpendicular distance between parallel sides. So this is the perpendicular distance, that is 3.5. Here, what is AB? What is A and B? Parallel sides. A is equal to 3.5. B is equal to total length 2 centimeters, 3.5, 5.5. Similarly, minus 1 by 4. 5 means 22 by 7. R means radius 3.5. R square means 3.5 into 3.5. After cancellation, here in 4, 2 goes 2 times. 2 2s, 2 11s. Here also 7 divides 3.5, 0.5 times. So we left with half into 9 into 3.5. That is minus this half into 3.5 plus 5.5, 9 into 3.5 minus remaining part 1 by 2, 11 into 0.5 into 3.5 square centimeters. After we get multiplication, 31.5 by 2 minus 19.25 by 2 square centimeters. That is 15.75 minus 9.625 square centimeters. Answer is 6.125 square centimeters. So area of this shaded region is 6.125 square centimeters. Now next we will solve 10th problem in our exercise 9.2. A horse is placed for grazing inside a rectangular field 70 meters by 52 meters and is tethered to one corner by a rope 21 meters long. How much area can it graze? This is rectangular field, length is 70 meters, breadth is 52 meters. One horse is tethered with a rope at the one corner here, like this. This is rectangular field. Horse is tethered with rope at one corner. This is the horse grazing area of the grass. This is total rectangular field. Length is 70 centimeters, breadth is 52 centimeters. This is grazing area. This is, see this, what is this? Quarter circle or sector. Quarter circle or sector. Here angle is 90 degrees. Now we will solve the problem. The area which the horse can graze, that is shaded area. Area of sector. What is the formula for area of sector? X by 362 pi r square. Here what is x? 90 degrees. 90 degrees by 360 degrees into 2 into 5 means 22 by 7 into r means radius is 21 meters. 21 into 21 square meters. That is 91s, 94s, 1 by 4. We left with 1 by 4 into 22 by 7 into 21 into 21. Then after cancellation, we left with 1193 into 21 by 2 square meters is equal to 693 by 2 square meters. That is equal to 346.5 square meters. Therefore, the area of the horse can graze in the field is 345.6 square meters. Now, I am giving one assignment, same problems, but data changed. Do these two problems and show the answers to your class teachers. Thank you.